Hi, let's look at a way of graphing a line using what's called the slope, how much the line tilts, and something called the intercept. Now that is where the line crosses one of the axes. Well, we have some friends here doing something funny here behind me. Okay, so here's our coordinate axis here. Now, let's look at a general formula for a line. That's y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope and b is the intercept. In this case, it's the y-intercept. It's where, on the y-axis where the line crosses. And in this case, we can find that it's 2 because we can put in a 0 for x and we solve for y and we'd get 2. So there's our ordered pair, 0, 2. It represents the y-intercept. Now, if we take the slope 4/3 and we go 3 to the right and 4 up and put a point, then we have our 2 points and we can draw a line and it's a positive slope, leans towards the right, and there we have our line. So let's try that same thing. We'll put a 0 in for x, and then our y is going to be 1. That's where it's going to cross. That 1 there is the y-intercept. It crosses at 0, 1 there. And then if we can go, now we can go either 2 to the right and 3 down in finding the point from our slope, or we could put that negative with the 2 and go -2 and 3 up. It doesn't matter. You still hit the line. And we have, of course, a negative slope. It leans towards the left there. Now, in this case here, our y-intercept is going to be 1. And our slope is going to, you can think of it as 2 over 1. So we can go 1 to the right and 2 up from the y-intercept there, put our point, and draw our line. So you can think of 2 as 2 over 1, and that will give you the y and the x value for movement. Now this one here, our y-intercept, if you put x 0 in for x, will be a -2. So it's 0, -2 there, represented on the coordinate axis there. And then we go 5 to the right, and then we go 2 up, put a little point, and draw our line. And this is a positive slope. So let's see what we got next here. Oh, this one we have to work a little bit harder again on. We want to put it in that form y equals mx plus b kind of thing. So we're going to subtract 4x from both sides and then divide through by 5, and there we have it. So our y-intercept is a 1 and our slope is -4/5. It's slope in a negative direction towards the left there. So we should have a point there, 0, 1, and then we can go actually, in this case we're going to go 4 down and 5 over. So -4 is the y value and 5 is the x. Okay, thank you.